Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing and placing your clip on the timeline. This keeps edits intact. Once there, go to the color page and add a serial node. This isolates adjustments so you can undo steps easily. Make sure scopes like waveform and parade are visible. They tell you exposure and color balance numerically rather than by eye. If playback stutters, drop timeline playback to half. This ensures accurate real-time adjustments without guessing what you changed. Now correct the core image. Adjust lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights. Watch the scope so nothing clips. Once tonal balance is set, tweak contrast and pivot to refine the curve. Offset shifts the whole exposure if the image reads too bright or dark on scopes. Next, handle color cast. Use temperature and tint controls in the color wheels or primaries to neutralize skin and whites. These steps stabilize image before creative looks. Finish by doing secondaries. Create a new node, use the qualifier or power window to isolate areas like skin or sky, and track the mask so it follows motion. Once corrected, place a LUT or stylized grade on its own node and reduce node opacity if the effect feels strong. This keeps control and avoids crushed details. Finally, render with the right codec and verify scopes one last time. If colors look off after export, check color management and timeline versus delivery color space as your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.